Hey everybody, I'm Dave the Phone Guy. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro, and today we're going to see how fast it can charge from 0 to 100. Let's get into it. So guys, you watched the video, an hour and 27 minutes to charge this guy from 0 to 100. So that's the results. Seems Way too long if you ask me. This is supposed to be warp charging. Reviews that I read and watched took about 60 minutes, so I was surprised that it took an hour and 27. The phone was able to charge 50% in 30 minutes. In 60 minutes, we did get to 88, and then it just took a really long time from that point to fully charge. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get notified immediately when I post my next video. Anyways, I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.